Welcome to another do-it-yourself R&M 422 video. Today I will be mounting a high loft tire rack on my wall here. It is rated at 300 pounds and I'm going to be mounting two of them to accommodate four tires, four large tires that belong to my Corvette. So let's get started. First thing I'll need to do is measure the distance from the mounting point down to where the tire would be and see if I can accommodate both racks. Okay, so this is the High Loft Storage Solutions tire rack which I will be installing, and this is what comes in the kit. You've got your installation instructions, the two brackets, your hardware. And the hardware consists of 6 lag bolts and 4 of these regular bolts for the tubes. So you can see here, I put 2 tires on its side to elevate and get the proper elevation to make sure I have the proper clearance when I mount the tire rack. Okay, that looks pretty good. Let me just test fit the rack. The rack comes pretty much pre-assembled and it is collapsible. So I'm going to go ahead and put it up there and see where I'm going to put my mounting holes. Actually, it's going to fit perfectly with mounting it right up against this ledge here. Okay, I'm going to use this Wall Wizard stud finder to find the 2 studs on each side there. They should be every 16 inches, and the mounting instructions are 32 inches is the minimum, so I'm going to mount them at 32 inches. So there's the first one, and there's the second one. So now I'm going to mark my first pilot hole. There is a left and right one. So this is the left. And I'm going to mark it up there. After making my small pilot hole, I'm going to follow up with a 3/16 drill bit and drill that in, make the hole bigger, and then put in the lag screw here on the top first. Make sure it's even and it is straight, and then I'm going to make the other 3 holes and put in the other 2 lag screws and then move on to the other side. Okay, putting in the first lag bolt, and you don't want to over tighten that. The maximum it should be tightened to is 10 foot-pounds. Okay, I test fitted my first lag bolt, and now I'm going to check and make sure that it's straight up and down vertically using a spirit level. Okay, I marked it with a pencil, and then I'm going to put in the additional, make the additional holes. And tighten the first lag bolt. And then I'm going to put in the other two. And then I'm going to tighten them to no more than 10 foot-pounds, which is what's, is the recommended. Okay, so that one's on nice and solid. Now we're going to go and do the other side. Okay, I made my marks on the wall, and now I'm going to make sure that it's also mounted same distance from the top as the other one. And this block of wood here fits perfectly, so I'm going to line this up and make sure it's the same distance. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do a pilot hole first. Making sure that the drill is straight. And I'm going to use the 3/16. I'm going to put in the first lag bolt and check the level. Okay, before I make the other holes, I'm going to make sure that this is perfectly level as far as vertical, and then make the other two holes. Okay, I'm going to tighten all three lag bolts and firmly in there. And it's the same distance from the top. Okay, I put in one bar already, and I'm going to go ahead and put the second one in. Okay, all 4 bars are in, and I'm just going to go ahead and tighten everything up. Okay, I finished installing this tire rack, and I'm going to install a second one right underneath. Hope you enjoyed this video, and please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.